In this video, I will invite you to review RAINMAN RAYS Repairs channel income from YouTube. Let's start. This is data from the RAINMAN RAYS Repairs channel based on the Social Blade source. This RAINMAN RAYS Repairs channel was created on the January 21, 2013. Until the time this video was created, the RAINMAN RAYS Repairs channel had reached 553,000 subscribers, and have uploaded 1,154 videos. And total 307,859,281 videos has been watched. Let's see how much RAINMAN RAYS Repairs channel total income from YouTube. This is views data from RAINMAN RAYS Repairs channel. Daily views 154,102 views. Weekly views 1,078,714 views. And in the last 1 month RAINMAN RAYS Repairs channel has been watched by 4,623,054 views. Okay, let's continue calculating RAINMAN RAYS Repairs channel income from YouTube. In 1 month the RAINMAN RAYS Repairs channel gets $1,200 up to $18,500. And in the last 1 year RAINMAN RAYS Repairs channel earned $13,900 up to $221,900. This data is just an estimate from Social Blade. Of course, only RAINMAN RAYS Repairs channel owner knows the real income. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment to this channel, so I can continue to share information about your YouTuber earnings.